Morning children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy at your homes. Today we will study chapter number 20. This is your last chapter. We will study remaining chapter after your half-yearly assessment. This chapter will be included in your half-yearly term 1. That's why I am teaching you. I will teach you this chapter 20. Chapter number 20 compositions. बाकी चैप्टर्स हम पढ़ेंगे आफ्टर द टर्म. टर्म में आपका चैप्टर नंबर 20 आ रहा है, इसलिए हम इसको पढ़ा रहे हैं. ओके, सो टेल मी, through which writing other person know about yourself? Through which writing other person know about yourself? किस राइटिंग से कोई पर्सन आपके बारे में जानता है? दैट इज योर इंट्रोडक्शन. When you introduce yourself, other person know about yourself. Okay, through which writing part we can see all activities of person. Through which writing part we can see the all activities of a person. Through picture writing. Picture writing से हमें किसी भी पर्सन की एक्टिविटीज भी पता चलती है. Picture writing, through pictures story we know about other person's activity. Okay, through which writing part we can oblige other person's work. We can oblige means किसी का आभार प्रकट करते हैं, तो किस राइटिंग पार्ट से करते हैं? दिस इज कॉल्ड अ थैंक यू नोट. फ्रॉम अ थैंक यू नोट we oblige the other persons to do the work. In which writing part we can use pictures to complete the meaning. We can use the picture to complete the meaning in reverse story. In reverse story we can use pictures instead of the words. So in reverse story we know about the story, the whole story through the pictures. So in this chapter we will study about introduction, about your introduction, how we introduce yourself, and picture writing, and a thank you note, and a reverse story. So these are the 4 composition you will study in this chapter. So to more understand, let's read this chapter. Okay children, this is your chapter 20 composition. This is your one part, introduction myself. In this you fill your name, your age, how many years old, your class, father name, your father's mobile number, your mother name and your mother's mobile number, and your permanent address. So this is introduction self. Next is picture composition. Look at the picture and answer the question that follow. These are the questions you have to write down. I will send you through PDF. This is your exercise work, and these are the questions and answer through these pictures. Writing a thank you note, that is next thing. It is a good manners to write and send a warm thank you note to the person who has done something nice for you. हमको एक अच्छा मैनर है, हम थैंक यू नोट किसी को लिखते हैं, क्योंकि यदि किसी पर्सन ने हमारे साथ कुछ अच्छा वर्क किया है तो हमें उसे थैंक यू लिखना चाहिए. फॉलो दीज स्टेप. क्या क्या स्टेप फॉलो करते हैं थैंक यू नोट के लिए? स्टेप 1, बिगिन विद अ चीयरफुल ग्रीटिंग. मीन्स चीयरफुल विद स्माइलिंग ग्रीटिंग के साथ हमें स्टार्टिंग करनी चाहिए. थैंक द पर्सन, उस पर्सन को थैंक करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, इफ यू आर थैंकिंग द पर्सन फॉर अ गिफ्ट, टेल हिम और हर हाउ यू प्लान टू यूज द गिफ्ट. अगर आप किसी पर्सन को गिफ्ट के थ्रू थैंक कर रहे हो तो आपको बताना चाहिए कि आपने क्या गिफ्ट प्लान किया है. It shows that you really like it. इससे ये शो होता है कि वास्तव में आप उसे लाइक करते हो. The closing should be warm. और इसका क्लोजिंग जो है बहुत वार्म होना चाहिए. This is the sample of thank you note. A grandchild thank you note for his grandma. Dear grandma, thank you very much for the gift. I love the cap and the scarf that you have knitted for me. ये स्कार्फ और ये कैप उसकी ग्रैंडमा ने उसके लिए बनाया है. सो ही थैंक टू हिज ग्रैंडमा. दे आर रियली सॉफ्ट एंड वार्म. I am sending you a photograph of me wearing your gifts. This is the photograph of a child. I look forward to seeing you again next month. Love, Nakul. Next is reverse story. In a reverse story, we use picture instead of a word. This is the sample of reverse story. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Quacky. She had a funny voice, almost like the quack of a duck. यहाँ पर duck लिखने की बजाय उन्होंने क्या बना दिया? duck की picture बना दी. She was very sweet. Sweet लिखने की बजाय sweet means toffee picture कर दी. And kind. Everyone loved Quacky. One day Quacky got a bad cold. उसे cold हो गया. So उसकी यहाँ पर picture बना दी cold करते हुए. वो नोज जो है अपनी क्लीन करी है. शी केप्ट स्नीजिंग. शी वॉज सैड फेस बना दिया उसका. शी कुडंट इवन स्लीप दैट नाइट. स्लीपिंग पोर्शन बना दिया. मदर गॉट क्विकी अ बिग बाउल. दिस इज अ बाउल ऑफ सूप. शी ड्रैंक द सूप एंड स्नगल्ड अंडर हर क्विल्ट. थैंकफुली क्विकी फेल asleep. In her dream, she saw a little fairy. Fairy's picture बना दी. Who told her that she would pray for her. Soon, Quacky woke up and remembered her dream. She felt happy. Happy face बना दिया. So this is the reverse story. Have you understood? If you have any doubt, read this chapter once or twice thoroughly. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.